At Transport for Wales, we know what a better rail service means to you. It means working hard till the job's done. It means working through the night and getting up early in the morning. It means we're fixing the old while preparing for the new. It means we've been hiring new staff to drive our trains, help our customers and improve our service. It means we've been delivering the technology of today while designing the trains of tomorrow. And it means we're getting closer to giving you the rail service you deserve. Transport for Wales. We know what it means to you. To join us for the journey, search tfwrail.wales.